2/3 of the American workforce are experiencing burnout, and 80% aren't even passionate about what they do. So that kind of creates a real problem, especially when you consider we spend most of our waking hours working than doing anything else. You think this part was crazy? Just wait, all right? My name's Megan, by the way. Just brace yourselves.
Megan Bendtzen, motivational trainer.
Meet Megan Bendtzen, better known as the Doctor of Fun.
Megan, Doctor of Fun, Bendtzen!
Megan Bendtzen is in the house today.
And I have your prescription for happiness.
After doing this for 48 years, this is the most impactful thing I think I've ever seen.
Megan Bendtzen just brought just a whole new kind of energy and fun.
People were laughing to the point of crying.
You cannot wait for life not to be hard to decide to enjoy it. Single biggest lie that we've all been told our entire lives, and that is that fun is something to be earned, that it happens at the end. The real way to get serious results is to get serious about fun. This is not about being childish and not taking work seriously. It's about being in a happy mental state so you can give your business your best. It's not about ignoring your problems. It's about changing the way you handle them. When we have happier people, we have better business metrics. You are going to be competing in a timed race.
This was one of the most meaningful and impactful corporate experiences I've ever had.
Get as many points as you can.
This reminded them why we do what we do.
I would recommend, Megan, to do this for every single company.
Life is a game, people, and you have to play to win. And I mean, like literally play. So who is ready to